Over the next 24 hours, I'm gonna take a brand new dropshipping store from zero to profitable store. I'm gonna document each step I do and I'm gonna give you some secret sauce. So let's get started with finding a good product. Today I'm just gonna use TikTok, so I scrolled through a TikTok burner account for around 1 hour. So I found some good products, so let's have a look at them and I saved them here. The first product, as you can see, is this hydrogen water bottle, and it's supposed to hydrate you more than normal water, so I can see a lot of people buy this since they want to stay hydrated. Then we also have this LED rose flower, and I think this is a really cool product. And the last product I found was this pocket hair styler. I think a lot of girls could use this, but I'm not too sure about this one. So we're gonna try this LED rose flower today though, since Valentine's is right around the corner and I think a lot of people could buy this as a gift for somebody special. So let's try importing it to a store. After I added it to my store, I used one of the pre-built themes for my store to make it look better. And if you want access to that pre-built theme and many others, then you should probably join my Discord. I will leave a link in the description below, because there you get access to all kinds of stuff. So after importing that theme to our store, I first of all went into the product description and changed it completely. And with changed it, I mean I deleted everything and then went over to ChatGPT and asked it to generate me a nice product description that is engaging and persuades the customer to buy, and then added my product name. After that, I just copied the sections that I liked from ChatGPT and then put some images in between those sections to make the product description look better. What I normally also recommend is just putting a GIF in there, because that also makes the product description way better than just plain text, trust me. And your conversion rate will go up by a lot. After that, I went to my store and then changed the main menu, because we didn't want to show a collection of items. We just have this one product. So I wanted to show one product on that second page. After that, I also changed the colors to this rose red and then also black and white, just to keep it simple and clean. So then the product page was okay. But for this to be a great store, there was obviously a lot missing. I mean, if you look at the top stores, they have trust badges, volume discounts and all kinds of stuff. But adding all of these apps can be insanely expensive. And that's why I'm gonna use Hulk apps. Because they have an offer where you can get all the apps besides this mobile app builder and their second tier premium plan, and also a custom Shopify theme for only $100. Also, the Hulk mobile app builder is normally $150 alone, but in another bundle you can get the Hulk mobile app builder and all of the other apps for only $150. So you basically get all of these apps as a gift. So let's try putting some of the apps that we got from the bundle onto our store now. So here you can see the Trust Badges app I added to the store. This just looks really good and adds a lot of trust for the customer to purchase from you. Then if we scroll down, we got the product reviews. I don't need to say much about this. It's just a must for every store to have some product reviews for social credit. And then also this product options app is really great if you have multiple options and products to display. So all in all, these apps are great and I would definitely check them out if I were you. So I will leave a link in the description below. Now that we have added all of those apps, I think that the store looks amazing and is completely done. And I think this definitely looks like a trustworthy store. I mean, down here we also have the product reviews. I like it. Now to get some ad creatives today, I'm just gonna go back on TikTok and search for my product. So I searched for the LED lamp Eternal Rose and there were a lot of videos about my product and also different product ads. And then I basically just downloaded all of them and imported all of that footage into CapCut. Here I basically edited them together to a new video, so my own video where I put my own text and voiceover and music and everything, so that it's original content. Because trust me, you will get in trouble if you don't edit them at all. Then I took my ad creatives over to the classic TikTok ads. Let me know in the comment section if I should try Facebook ads anytime soon, because I've just never used it, but maybe it's worth a try. But yeah, then I made a new campaign on TikTok ads, and this time I went with a CBO campaign. So I just basically put this slider on and then put the budget for the campaign to $30 a day. Then I also made sure that the content is only shown on TikTok and not on these Pangle kind of things. What even is Pangle? I mean, nobody's gonna buy from there. And then I also turned off all of these settings. This time I chose to target the United States because I think Valentine's Day is like the biggest thing there. The last thing on the page was this setting down here, and this is a really important setting. It's the 7-day view, 1-day click. I would always put this to 1-day view and 1-day click, because this just means that you get people on the website that will purchase exactly that day when they went on the website, and not people that go onto your website and then 7 days later decide to purchase it, because you don't need those people. Then on the third page I put on Smart Performance Campaign and then put my ad creatives in there. Then I just put my website's product page as a destination link. Don't use your home page as a destination link because that will just decrease your conversions. And we were ready to launch. Now after I published them, they got reviewed like always and they were approved. So that day I then got one sale at 2 p.m, another one at 4:30 p.m, and I was really hoping for another one, and we finally got another one at 9 p.m. So we made $75 within those 24 hours. But actually that's not profit, so let's subtract some things here. If you, for example, subtract the product cost, which comes out to roughly $30, and then also the $30 ad spend, we come out to a profit of $15. Now this isn't too much, but we managed to get a store from zero to profitable within these 24 hours. So for more videos like this, definitely subscribe and join my Discord. And with that said, make sure to check out this video because I did another challenge and I might have found a winning product in that challenge.